It's freaking freezing. We have not seen sun for a long, long time.
It's a good day. It's sunny outside.
Yeah.
So it's good to look at windmill today. So I think it's good for you.
Yeah, so now it's 12:30.
It's nicer.
Yeah, 12:30. Hopefully we'll be there in half an hour.
Yeah, that's what they said.
Yeah. I can see back there. A lot of people going there. I'm not sure we can buy the ticket now, but we'll see.
The Clockwork Museum, Windmill Museum and the Windmills.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
But
Maybe.
it's an open area, so you can just walk around and enter what you wanna.
Made in the Zaanse. Hanging in the air are the Dutch names of products associated with the Zaanse region. Rice has a husk, which has to be pre-cooked and eaten. Several factories in the Zaanse region were delivered by barge and hoisted.
They run away.
Welcome to the weaver's house. This house is from the year 1722, 300 years old, and two big families lived and worked inside this house.
Sewing every day. Cooking, pick up baby. Baby, I wanna go to play. Yeah, you're still sewing? You after sewing now?
Wow, 400. This one? 400? Wow.
On this one we use cotton wool because it's lighter to work with.
Oh,
But the process is the same.
okay.
So I close between,
Oh,
put the rice, and then it's ready. And then it start all over again.
all right. Thank you so much. Thanks for your knowledge. Entry, right?
Three entries.
Oh, 3 entries. Do you happen to know, like, what is the purpose of wearing wooden shoes versus?
Not only tell you, I can show you.
Okay.
Yeah, they are. Shoes.
Yeah.
They're very light.
Oh, yeah.
comparatively at least.
How fast can you guys make like a pair of shoes?
So that depends as well.
Mm-hmm.
We do need to dry them, so
Yeah.
at least a month. But if we skip the drying, by hand, it would have taken a skilled craftsman about 3 hours.
3 hours.
And I was with one of these, so a bowl knife.
Yeah.
Show a little bit. So it was just the idea to have it like that, and then hollowing on the outside was a bit more difficult. So you use one of these.
Okay.
It's not necessarily hard, but it's very tough because you have to push it in as hard as you can.
Yeah.
And then you have to twist pores out of it. And it took about an hour per shoe.
Okay. Thank you so much for.
My pleasure.
All right. Thank you. After you hear a brief introduction, how do you feel about the whole history about behind why these are made and?
I understand because of there's no money to do leathers.
Yeah.
Wood will be more efficient. It's from the natural, and they just and also it's like protecting them to like warm out fast.
Yeah.
You know, like you're using leathers like normal shoes, maybe probably like less than a year or two.
Yeah.
And those wood shoes, and majority of the time in the past, it's just like sole and it's sand stuff, right?
Yeah.
You can keep the shoes a long time.
All right. We're heading to the windmill. There are a lot of ducks here. Did you realize that?
Yeah. It's a bird.
We're just gonna try all the samples. Which one do you like better? What does that choose from?
This, or you can take it.
Yeah. What
This is sheep.
sheep? And this is
Cow.
cow. So now we are in the middle of the windmill. This is where the wind turbine turns, and in turns, those gears will start spinning. These are the windmill. As you guys can see, right behind us, right there, this is what we're here for. It's really cold. Well, it's not cold, it's only windy that make you really cold. You see, when you have gloves, you don't have to worry about that. Yeah, I bought him a pair of gloves, but he thinks he's too cool to wear it. So now he's super cold. I'm like, my hands feel really warm. What are you talking about? It's freaking freezing. That's to say the least.